Today we're hosting the 19th biannual International Noise and Vibration Conference called ISMA in combination with USD.
This is ISMA. I mean, more than 700 people finding their way.
For 50 years we organize meetings like this, and everybody knows that KU Leuven is a reference for our domain of noise and vibration engineering, and people block it in their agendas.
When I retired, it's already 6 years ago, there was a thriving research group. The conference kept being organized and kept being a success, and we are relevant, so it makes me proud.
I've attended all the ISMA editions since I started as a PhD student. I've never missed one. I was always very impressed. So of course it was really honorific to be the next one in the list.
Noise and vibration is a global problem, and that's why there are people coming from all over the world, from the States, from Europe, from Asia, South America. Everybody feels the need of creating a quiet and efficient world.
It really shows that also like this research area of vibrations and testing and molding is still extremely active in the world.
It's really from everyday life. It can be in your working environment, so when there are vibrating machinery around you, compressors for instance, they make a lot of noise. But also when you're driving your car.
In the 90s, a car was a noisy, shaking instrument, particularly diesel cars. And over the years, we see a very large evolution in bringing down levels of noise.
It's for the automotive industry, but you can also, let's say, transfer it to other industries and products like power tools or home appliances and so on. So vibration is a huge topic.
For me, ISMA USD stands out because it both has top-notch academic research which is shown, but also very nice industrial application cases. So it mixes the academic state of the art and the industrial state of practice, and it's a very nice cross-fertilization between those two fields.
We value very high the presence of industry here, and it shows year after year that they want to come here. We have the whole exhibition area actually full of industrial partners.
Every year we also have 3 courses that we organize within our team about acoustics, about multi-body dynamics and about modal analysis.
I think the courses that are organized during the ISMA conferences are important not only for PhD students that starts their career and needs to train themselves, but also for expert researchers actually, because they're bringing all the state-of-the-art methods and techniques that you need.
With the keynotes we are trying to set the future targets for the field and just trigger some imagination for the future topics.
We are in the city of Leuven, so we need to have a Belgian beer reception. That's really like the event people talk about when they go home. Belgian beer with some nice appetizer.
It's really a way to mingle people, to get people together, do some very good networking and some engineering interactions, let's say.
I come mostly to see the old friends, and the problem is the old friends are drifting away and retiring, so parts of it is bittersweet.
It's a very unique thing actually. I haven't seen any conference which is happening for continuously for 50 years.
It is a very nice environment, bringing together science with joy and bringing really a kind of a research family which keep on going now for the 49th edition.